Hello everyone, this is Jack from Dr. Prius app. Today we are at Temple City, California. This is my friend's place, Ben. He has a 2010 Prius. Plan to have a lithium battery in there, but definitely not the next lithium, because this lithium keep breaking every couple months. And according to the repair shop, this lithium is from Toyota. So we're gonna find out what exactly under the trunk, what exactly lithium this is, and then we're going to in attempt to fix it for my friend Ben, and see where it goes. Use the Dr. Prius app to run some tests and make sure it's gonna last a long time. So that's what we're gonna do today. Stay tuned. Wow, blue color. Like the color. Service plug. Let's take the seat apart. Nice color. What they call this? Tiffany blue? Tiffany green? So it looks like the duck fin is just put it on here. There's no clip to it, and that doesn't look like nickel metal hydride battery at all. This is a weird shape of the air duct, I think, for some other vehicle. So I'm not sure about the cooling, but well, this is exhaust anyway, so it should be fine. Let's open it up and see what's inside. What is this? Wait a minute. The whole thing's held on by duct tape. Yeah, the duct tape over here, duct tape over there. Wow. If you know what battery this is, please leave the comment in below. Okay, it has the voltage written on top of it. Let me try to find any labels about this battery. I can't find anything saying it's Toyota. That looks like the BMW battery in here. Green power. There's a sticker saying green power. Okay, but the housing, take a look at all this. The housing is definitely for the nickel metal hydride battery. They repurpose it by putting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total of 7 blades or 7 modules on this. So if it's 7, that could be the Prius V lithium from the European. Because when you use the Dr. Prius app to monitor, you will see total of 7 blocks on the Dr. Prius app for the Prius V lithium variant. Okay, and let's open the junction box and see what's inside. Okay. Man, this is, I wouldn't recommend anyone doing this. This is a nickel metal hydride ECU, battery ECU. So from what I see right now, there is no balance circuit, there's no protection circuit. It's using the nickel metal hydride battery holders, computer, contactor, everything the same, but put the lithium on top. According to the voltage here, I think it's NMC voltage, MNC lithium, which is not the safest lithium battery in the world. That's the same thing as the Tesla doing, using the NMC lithium. The Nextel, on the other hand, is using lithium phosphate, which is super safe. Even you overcharge it, the most thing it will do is probably smoke, and that's it. You will not thermal run away and start a fire. Okay, so this one, the temperature sensor is glued on and poke into the hose. I have no idea what this is, but it could be for the Prius V. We'll do some research on that. Okay, so if we want to upgrade Benz Prius to our lithium, what we need to do is, of course, put in the Nextel lithium battery and then find the not the bus bar, but the metal bar. There are a total of 4 metal bar or holder holding the nickel metal hydride battery. We're gonna find that. It's not here anymore. And definitely we're not going to use duct tape to holding the lithium in place. Wow, this thing is just wild and crazy. How is the cooling gonna work? This is enclosed. The fan blowing cold air from the bottom, but as you can see, this is all the way at the bottom. There's no way the air can channel through the bottom to the top. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not sure how this is gonna work, especially these 3 modules here. It's completely sealed at the bottom. The only venting is on the top. There's some thing over here. Maybe you can slowly dissipate the heat out. So how about this? Let's connect the Dr. Prius app and see what the numbers looks like. Okay, so that we're gonna fire out the car and use the Dr. Prius app to see what's inside, what's going on. Oh wow, Delta SOC at 36%. And from what I can see, hopefully you guys can see as well, the number 13 and 14, the last couple of them, way higher than others. I think this too is the one without the cooling over there, so it might be damaged. That's what I'm thinking. The volt difference is right. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, but Delta SOC means, yeah, the battery has been through a lot. The difference is just way too much. And we just Google it and find out the battery is from a Kia Forte hybrid. So it's not the Toyota one. It's a LG chemistry made for Kia vehicle. It's not for Toyota. That's why it has to be duct taped onto the holder or the cradle. Okay, so let me see if there's any error code right now. There's one previously that we, oh yeah, P0880 and P3024. Yeah, let's take a screenshot of this. And let me try to clear the code. Yeah, it's a permanent code, so it's still there. Probably need to remove the 12-volt battery for 3 minutes. But from what I see right now, the car is probably drivable, but definitely not safe. Consider it's a lithium battery without proper cooling and duct tape to the chassis. Beside the Delta SOC, I think all the numbers are this good. Yeah, these two need to be very careful. Something's going on. It's being overcharged. The last two. Okay, I think that's where we're gonna end this episode. We're gonna have our friends going back to claim the warranty and fix the vehicle. Hopefully fix it for good. If not, we're coming back and replace the lithium with Nextel lithium battery. Alright, so this is where we're gonna end our episode right here. but to let you know that the definitely when you purchase something, repair something, definitely know what you are getting or what you are buying. In this case, it's a Kia battery in the Toyota, with a lot of cutting and duct taping and electric taping. That's not the way to go. Our Nextel lithium is tested to the perfection. We've been testing for more than 10 years by now, and we have been selling for almost 3 years. So there's definitely a lot of R&D and a lot of testing going on to put a product into the vehicle and safely use that for another 10 years. This, I wouldn't use it for even 1 day. So definitely the customer, my friend's friend, Ben, spent like $2,000 so far for this thing and keep breaking every couple of months. And we'll see what the repair shop say about this time. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. So definitely, when you buy something, definitely know what you are getting, not this kind of stuff. Alright, cheers.